In the realm of preparedness, having a reliable stockpile of survival foods is a fundamental strategy for ensuring the well-being of yourself and your loved ones during emergencies. While the specific items to store may vary based on personal preferences and dietary needs, there are certain survival foods that consistently rise to the top due to their nutritional value, long shelf life, and versatility. In this essay, we will explore the top 10 survival foods to consider storing for long-term readiness. Before we start, comment whether you are storing survival foods already. 1. Rice. Rice is a staple in many cultures around the world, and for good reason. It is an excellent source of carbohydrates, providing energy for daily activities. White rice has a longer shelf life, while brown rice contains more nutrients. Properly stored in a cool, dry place, rice can last for years. 2. Beans. Beans are rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They complement rice perfectly, creating a complete protein source. Varieties like black beans, pinto beans, and lentils can be stored for years and serve as a hearty foundation for meals. 3. Pasta. Pasta is another carbohydrate source that stores well for extended periods. It's versatile and can be paired with various sauces, vegetables, and proteins to create satisfying meals. 4. Canned foods. Canned foods, such as vegetables, fruits, meats, and fish, provide essential nutrients and a longer shelf life due to the canning process. They are convenient and require minimal preparation, making them ideal for emergency situations. 5. Oats. Oats are a nutritional powerhouse, offering complex carbohydrates, fiber, and valuable vitamins and minerals. They can be used for breakfast porridge, baking, and even as a binding agent in recipes. 6. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a calorie-dense food rich in protein and healthy fats. It provides sustained energy and can be consumed on its own or used as a spread or ingredient in various dishes. 7. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener with antibacterial properties. It has an incredibly long shelf life and can be used for sweetening, flavoring, and as a wound dressing. 8. Freeze-dried fruits and vegetables. Freeze-dried fruits and vegetables retain most of their nutrients and flavor while having a significantly extended shelf life. They are lightweight and can be a valuable source of vitamins and minerals. 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense and packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. They provide a quick and energy-boosting snack and can be incorporated into various dishes. 10. Salt and spices. While not a primary food source, salt is essential for flavor and preserving foods. Having a variety of spices and seasonings on hand can greatly enhance the taste of stored foods, making meals more enjoyable during challenging times. Before the conclusion, we asked, did this article help? Is there anything we left out? Now on to the conclusion. Building a comprehensive and well-rounded survival food stockpile is an investment in your security and well-being. The top 10 survival foods mentioned in this essay are valuable components of such a stockpile due to their nutritional content, versatility, and long shelf life. Remember to store these items in suitable conditions, rotate your stock to ensure freshness, and plan meals that utilize your stored supplies effectively. By being prepared with a diverse range of survival foods, you are equipping yourself with the essential tools to navigate emergencies and uncertainties while providing nourishment for both body and mind.